India? No, I'm not from India. I'm originally African, but I live in the United States now. I live in the East Coast of the U.S., Massachusetts to be specific. I'm originally born and raised African. So if I give you 20 rupees, would it be worth it? Are you serious? Anything will be worth it. Anything. Any support is really appreciated. Like really, all games aside, any effort is appreciated. Like that would be my first super chat. I've never gotten a super chat before. So that is gonna be the slice part. So this, what you're seeing in here, the purple and the orangish colors, were the colors that bled through because I forgot to put a page like this when I was drawing on the previous page. So it looks like now we have our sketch done. So I'm gonna go ahead and erase some of the lines and then I'll start the inking phase. These were the guidelines from outside. These do not bother me because it's going to be painterly, so those will dissolve when I'm painting finally and putting the color. I'll take some of these out. Again, if you'd like to check out the book, it's in the pinned chat. It's the first message on top. And it's gonna have the link to the book on Amazon. It's the Amazon.com, so it's the US market. But if you click on it and you're outside the US, it will also be able to take you to your Amazon. Thank you so much, Gamer Eport. This is my first ever super chat. Oh my god. Wait. I gotta subscribe to your channel. 1 second. I gotta go to your channel. Gamer Import. Oh my gosh, you play Stumble, guys. That's cool. I played that too. I gotta subscribe to your channel right away. I just subscribed. Let me turn on notifications. Oh, we definitely gonna be friends. I'm gonna check your channel out after I drop, but I just subscribed. Thank you so much, bro. I just checked out your channel, definitely subscribed.